Variables and expressions. This video will show you how to write verbal expressions from algebraic expressions and write algebraic expressions for verbal expressions. The key terms in this lesson are algebraic expression, verbal expression, variable, term, factor, product, power, exponent, and base. Algebraic expression. The definition is an algebraic expression consists of sums and or products of numbers and variables. Here's some examples. 3x plus 6, 0.4d, 4cd plus 3mn. Expression. The definition is a verbal expression is a short explanation of the algebraic expression. Examples. 3 times x to the 4th power, literally written out. 5 times z to the 2nd power plus 7, written out. Operations to verbal expressions translations are addition. Key terms are more than, some, plus, increased by, or added to. Subtraction. Some key terms are, or keywords are less than, subtracted from, difference, decreased by, or minus. Multiplication. Some keywords are product of, multiplied by, times, or of. Division. Some keywords are quotient of or divided by. Variable. The definition is a variable is a letter or symbol that represents an unknown number. Simple definition is a variable is a placeholder for a number. Examples. 4x, in which x is the variable. 3y minus 4z, in which y and z are variables. Term. A term of an expression may be a number, a variable, or a product or quotient of numbers and variables. Examples are 0.4x 7, b divided by 2a, or b squared divided by 4ac. An algebraic expression contains terms separated by plus or minus. 5x plus 4y plus 3 has 3 terms in which they are 5x, 4y, and 3. 5x and 4y are called variable terms, and the 3 is called a constant term. Factor. The definition of a factor is a number that you multiply with another number to get a product. If a times b equals c, then a and b are factors of c. Examples. 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 and 5 are factors of 10. 12 times 11 equals 132. 12 and 11 are factors of 132. Product. A product is the answer you get when you multiply 2 or more numbers. Product of 5 and 4 is 20. Power or exponent. The exponent or power indicates the number of times the base is multiplied by itself as a factor. Here's some examples. 5 to the 4th indicates 5 will be multiplied by itself 4 times. And we have it written out 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 is equal to 625. 10 squared indicates 10 will be multiplied by itself 2 times. 10 times 10 equals 100. Here's a special case with a 0 exponent. 6 to the 0 or anything to the 0 power will always be 1. 7.5 to the 0 power equals 1. Special case when the exponent is 1. Anything to the first power will always be equal to the base. So 3 to the first power is 3. Base. The definition of the base is the factor used when using exponents. Here's an example. 6 to the 5th power. So 6 is the base and 5 is the exponent. Here's some practice problems. Convert to algebraic expression 5 more than 3 times x. And so here's the answer, 3x plus 5. Or you can do 5 plus 3x. Either way, addition is commutative. Convert to verbal expression 3 divided by z minus 4. And of course the answer is 4 less than 3 divided by z, or another answer is 3 divided by z minus 4. Just write it out. How many terms are in the algebraic expression 6x minus 3y minus 7? The answer is 3, because the terms are 6x minus 3y and then minus 7. Identify the base and the exponent of 3 to the 4th power. And of course, the answer is the base is 3 and the exponent is 4. And so 3 to the 4th power, you multiply the base by itself 4 times, so that's 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, and that's equal to 81. And thanks for watching. And please like and subscribe. And have a good day.